Hi guys, I'm Jai and today I'm going to be doing a video on my purchase at Hermes, my unboxing, what fits in my bag, what I would typically use and need with me, and if it fits in my bag and if it seems like a reasonable purchase to you. I don't know. And also showing you a little bit of my typical day. So if you're interested in any of that, give this video a watch. I do want to just say that I got a missed call from a UK number yesterday while I was at work, so I couldn't pick up the call. And then a few minutes later, an Irish number called me, and I tried calling back the UK number first, and it took me directly to the Hermes general department that I guess receives all the calls for all of the Hermes in the UK and Ireland or Europe, I don't know. I basically told them that Hermes Ireland probably tried to reach out to me and I missed the call, and now I'm like scared that I'm gonna lose, the offer that they had for me. And the guy was very lovely and he was like, no, just wait for them to either call you back or they will send you an email. And I then proceeded to wait about 3 or 4 hours, and that was the most painful 3 or 4 hours of my life. I was just going through all of these scenarios and I was like, oh my god, I'm too late. They probably gave the bag to somebody else. I have lost out. But luckily I received that email from my SA and she gave me the details of the bag, and I very quickly responded and said, I'm definitely taking it. I'll be in tomorrow to pick it up. So here we are. I'm very excited by this video. I don't think I've seen many videos on this specific bag with what fits inside. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, leave a comment below if you're interested in me filming anything else for you, bag related, shoes, anything, jewelry, just let me know. So, morning of the big purchase, I'm really excited. I woke up super early this morning. And yeah, I'm really excited to go pick it up. This is the final look for picking up the bag. I also have to drop off some documents at an office and I do have to do a little bit of walking around, so I couldn't really do like a full glam. I think this is pretty good though. Wearing the Hermes scarf. This is my first time wearing this. My parents got it for me for Christmas 2 years ago, I think. So this is the first time I'm wearing this. Jewelry, and yeah, I think I look pretty decent put together for the event. So really excited.
Such a nice surprise.
I'm glad.
Oh my god. And I brought my other one in to go in.
Oh, fantastic. Do you
To
get
compare
a lot of
it.
use out of that as well?
Definitely. Oh my god.
We have the bag. I'm so excited. So, without further ado,
This is the raincoat. Okay. So this is the shoulder Birkin on my shoulder.
I'm just gonna show you what the inside looks like. I also attached the key and clochette, and that's what the inside looks like. So there's actually a pocket, a smaller pocket at the back. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. Okay, and then there is a larger pocket at the front. Now, usually I would do an insert inside all of my bags just to keep the structure of it like most people do, and also so that like nothing, like the inner lining, the leather inside, because that's all leather, it doesn't get damaged or like marked up with like my lip pencils or something, you know, like I would hate for that to happen. Obviously you have your little feet on the bottom to protect the base of it, and I will show you what can fit inside. So my phone here, it's an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that goes in there. I could even fit it, no, actually it doesn't go in the slot, but it goes in the bag, fine. I have one of my biggest wallets to try out to see if it fits. My long Chanel flap, that goes in. I have a cosmetics pouch, and that goes in. And I said I would try fitting my shades in there. And that almost goes in. Yeah, it's pretty good, yeah. Like that's what they would all kind of look like. Nothing is kind of going above that, and it can still go on my shoulder. So that's that. Like it's really handy actually. So yeah, it pretty much fits everything. Now like obviously like if you don't want to be this extra and add like your shades, then you know it fits basic necessities really well. I mean, you could even maybe add another wallet. Let's see if it'll go. Yep, so that all fits in the bag. So I can fit a small wallet, a long wallet, my cosmetics pouch, and a shade. chase case, sunglass case. So that all fits really well, and I'd have no problem going around like this. So that's really good. Yeah, so I hope that that was really informative for anyone who's considering putting the shoulder Birkin on their list. I would highly recommend. Obviously, I haven't started using the bag day in, day out yet, but from what I'm seeing, what I'm feeling, I love it. Yeah, so stay tuned. I will give you further updates on how the bag weighs, what the leather feels like, how often I'm using it. I could even do a comparison. I actually have the gold colored Birkin in a size 25 as well. So basically I have different versions of the same thing now. So I have the normal Birkin 25 in gold with gold hardware, and I also have now this shoulder Birkin 29 gold with gold hardware. Two different leathers. I do have the Birkin 25 with Togo leather, so it is different to have the Evercolor leather with the shoulder Birkin. So it'll be nice to see how that leather kind of weighs and feels. But yeah, I love it so far. Couldn't be happier with the purchase. And yeah, hopefully see you next time.